Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to get animated wallpaper Android. Here's a step guide to get and use animated live wallpapers on your Android phone. First, unlock your Android phone and go to the home screen. Make sure your phone is connected to the internet. Could be Wi-Fi or mobile data. Then open the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type animated wallpaper or live wallpaper. Browse the apps available. Examples are wallpapers by Google, live wallpapers, HD or 3D, Zedge, or Wallcraft. Select an app with good reviews and tap install. Once installed, open the wallpaper app from your app drawer or tap open on the Play Store. Browse or scroll through the animated wallpaper collection inside the app, then tap on the section who does have the animation wallpapers. Tap on the wallpaper you like to preview it. Look for a set wallpaper or apply button. Choose whether you want to apply it to the home screen or both. If the app asks for permissions, like storage or display access, just tap Allow. Wait for a few seconds while the wallpaper is applied. Return to your home screen and enjoy your new animated wallpaper. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.